Are you thinking one? I'm thinking B1.
Yes, B2. It's banana time.
Monkey see, monkey do. You got pisang, I goreng for you. Let's go.
Right, we are here at Changi Village Food Center. So my personal pick is Million Star fried banana. Okay, as you can see here, guys. Okay, take a closer look at their banana. Okay, look how light the batter is. It's not oily, but then again, look at the inside. That golden, creamy banana, which is soft and melts in your mouth. Guys, you should really come and try. Awesome. Wow, what a clean sneaker.
Yeah, man. If you want to be seen, best to be clean. ABGsneakers can hook you up.
Yeah. Okay, guys. This is the shout out to ABGsneakers. Do follow them at IG. Alright, if you want to get their basic cleaning package, their whitening package, or their shoe protect package. Alright. The specialty about them is they provide door-to-door step service whereby
Door-to-door?
Door-to-door, bro. They collect, they clean, they give you back. ABGsneakers, guys. Damn, son. Look fresh, look clean. Okay, this recommended banana is from Golden Banana, which we bought from Golden Mile Food Complex. Okay, so okay, their fried banana is slightly different. The banana is sliced into halves, and the batter is covered with chopped nuts and sesame lah. So overall, sesame seed. So overall, slightly different. Still sweet. Has that crunchy feel to it.
Yeah.
Due to the batter.
Correct. Yeah. This what stands out is the batter. I guess it's very different. It's really different from any other shop we've seen. But the Million Stars fried banana, I think the banana is more thicker, more sweet,
more creamy,
and like it's softer inside. This one is a bit
slightly hard.
But
overall, a good recommended pick.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your recommendation. Water.
So fellow monkeys, do you think you beat the beast?
No. Definitely.
Nice try, guys. Alright, congratulations to the Million Star fried banana.
Woo!
You guys are the winner. The batter was light, it was tasty. The banana was
juicy.
Wow.
Creamy. Aduh.
Good job.
Okay, guys. Thank you for the recommendation. Keep it coming. We really appreciate it. Okay, do remember, we are still starting shoutouts. If any one of you have anything for us to shout out, small business or anything in mind, do hit us up. So again, Apo friend, what's for next week?
Next week, we will be getting me, Soto.
Damn,
but
right.
for recommendation pick,
we have a special guest. Which is a surprise.
Yeah, surprise.
So you guys get to see him in our next video lah. Right, thank you very much. Beast love food.